Today we're going to make Swede and Anise hummus. We're going to use the high-powered blender. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, here's the jug. Okay. You will need, to make this recipe, you will need first to make what I call my hummus, but not as we know it, Jim, which is sprouted chickpeas, fermented with a little bit of white cabbage, and I've put some garlic in there. That's optional. In fact, some people can't tolerate garlic. They have a reaction to it, reaction to sulfur foods, but that's another story. Anyway, there's quite a lot of garlic in this, so depending on how much garlic you put in when you make this, you may not need seasoning. I've got quite a lot of garlic in this. I won't need any salt. So there we go. So we're going to all these foods go well with anise, according to Nikki Segnit, in the Flavour Thesaurus. Yeah, I looked up all the things which go with an anise, and these all go with it. And I looked also in the Flavour Bible. Now, they didn't say that black olives go with anise. Neither did they say that peas go with anise. But they did say that root vegetables go very well with anise. So we've got Swede here, which goes with anise. And yeah, all these things go with anise. Okay, so let's make a start. So first of all, we're going to need to grate the Swede. Okay, I'm going to shut up now for the rest of the recipe, and we'll run some nice music.